So welcome to class, everyone. Today we're going to be starting from we're going to be doing new thing. We're going to be doing new tag called paragraph tag. So I gave you guys assignment last week. So let me quickly do one or two. So if your own is not having this James, is not if your own is not having this pop out of James folder, you can still go back to your file, go to your open folder, go to your desktop and click on your James, then select this folder here, and it's going to come the same thing. This is with your James here. So you can cancel this one like this, cancel this side panel. So this is the outcome. So now I gave you guys assignment about um you should write artists using H1 to H6. So let me do the assignment correction. So this is the outcome of all the code. So if your one is not popping out like this is your file, the previous files you use, which is index.html. You can create your own using any other file. So now if you want to create another file again apart from this one, you can still come to James folder, click on James, this new file, click on it and write any other thing. For example, let me write cats.html. Create another file. I can click enter now. So can you see this is another file called cat.html. Don't forget, when you are creating your file and your own is not showing this angle basis here, that means you have done nonsense. So this is actually the best way of doing it. Can you see this one's here too? We have cat.html, we have index. So if I'm working with this one now, it's going to come here. If I'm working with cats, it's going to go to the next. Can you see it? This is how it was. So I'm working with this index now. So the reason why you are creating a new file is because in case you want to do another new topic, instead of going to the previous one, you can keep on creating new files. You can have as much as what as you want if you want to create the files. So this creating new file. So if I want to do a new thing here, I can just come here and start my code again. I will go start from the same process and that's how it is. So let me just use this. I gave you guys assignment on how to write um artists. After you use your heading tag to write all your favorite artists. So I'm going to be using this my index.html and I'll use my cat for paragraph. So let me just do h1. I'll write maybe Olamide, then I'll come here, put my mouse there, click enter. H2, I'll write maybe Asake, then I'll let me H3, let me go to H3, close it. Let me write who again? Davido, can come here and write H4, Rema, can come here, can come here, direct doesn't mean H5, can write Biscuit, can come here, this place, enter, then H6, which is the last one. Can write which one do I know again? I'll write Darko, right? Is it Darko? No one. So these are all of them. I can run press Ctrl S, run it, let's see the outcome. So this is the outcome of all. Can you see it? So the biggest heading tag is Olamide, then followed by H2, H3. Can you see them? So these are the what heading tag that we have. We have six. The least one is dark. Can you see it? Which is our H6. So this is the outcome. So this is the assignment which I want you to do. Now today tag is going to be what our paragraph tag. So let's start from the procedures. First and foremost, whenever you want to write a code, you must make sure that you write all the procedures down. So shift and my exclamation mark, then dot type, capital letter is look at it has already pop up for you. So you can just click it. Can you see it? So this is the advantage of using Visual Studio Code. It's going to be giving you options against other code editors. Other code editors will not be giving you not others especially Notepad. It will not be giving you these options like this. In using the advantage of using Visual Studio against Notepad is that in Visual Studio it's going to be giving you options. While Notepad, you have to start all over again. You have to write all your code from head to toe. It's not going to give you any options. So that is the difference between Notepad and Visual Studio. So this is what next one is going to be HTML. Normal thing we did for the first one. Sorry, let me write capital S, small letter. Small letter is not going to work, but then I prefer writing my own in small letter. HTML, then close it, enter. The next thing is going to be after inside our HTML, we want to start from head to our body. So it's going to be our head, head. Inside the head, enter. What's inside the head? Only title. Only title is inside the head. Only title. And this is giving us option. Close it. What do I want to name this one? Let me write paragraph tag. Paragraph. So let me write paragraph example. Paragraph example. Then I'm done with my head. I'll click here. When you are done to click on this closing tag here. Beside it, click enter. When you click enter, this is going to be our body. After head is body. Click enter. Tab. I must have written my body. So this is the place. This is the the part that is going to be viewed that we are going to see on our web browsers. This is the part. We are not exceeding and we are not going anywhere. So this is the place I want to be writing all our code. Always where it's blinking now is where we're going to be writing all our code. So whenever you're writing your code, always write everything down. Then let your mouse be blinking here for the new topic. So inside this body, we want to start our code. What we want to do today is paragraph tag. So I can just come here and a paragraph tag is just P. Is it P? So this paragraph tag. So let me write my element. Where is blinking is where you're supposed to write your element. So I'll write my let me write my name is James and I I I am I am a code instructor. I'm the code instructor. For example, so let's control S and run it. So let me choose. I've been using Edge before. Let me choose Chrome now. So let's see how it goes. Can you see it? Can you see that the difference between our paragraph tag and our heading tag is that our paragraph tag is not bold. Can you see it? The outcome of paragraph tag is not bold, but the outcome of what heading tag is always bold. Can you see that it comes out thick, comes out bold? And again, our paragraph tag is used for giving a paragraph to our work in our web page. So now can you see it is going to give a paragraph to our a web page. So now let me combine the heading tag and the paragraph tag together. So let me just come here. Anyway, you can put it anywhere you want. Let me just come here. Can you see it beside boom as and put let me use any heading tag I want. So let me use like H2 and write welcome to class everyone. Everyone. I press Ctrl S and run it. So let me run it again. So can you see it? Can you see that this one is tick, which is our heading tag, and this one is It's not tick, which is our paragraph tag, just P tag. So now can you see that it leaves a line? It leaves a A paragraph. This is a paragraph, leaves a paragraph and right. Can you see it? And right. So these are just examples of a paragraph tag. Hope you understand what you did. So there's something I'm going to give you. I want you to use any heading tag here and write welcome to my school. Just put your school there. Welcome to, let me say your school is Starlearner. You can just say welcome to Starlearner. Then your paragraph tag, the element you're going to write inside the paragraph tag is um I just write the motto of your school. Inside this paragraph tag, write the motto. All you have to do is just write motto, then put those column, then write the motto of your school. Name of welcome to what Starliner School, for example, or King's Pride or Glory Point. Then write the name of your then the motto of your school here. So I expect you to what, to drop it on my YouTube on our comments, and I'll see it. If you do the writing, I'm going to see it. If you don't, I'll see it and I'll correct you. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.